Here's the product from Flipkart, and we have the washing machine inlet pipe. Here's the length of 6 meter for Samsung 16 kg automatic. Here we are. So here's the product, made in India, clearly written on the plastic. Hold on. Very good quality product from the brand. Here's the company name. Anyway, washing machine inlet hose for my Samsung 16 kg automatic washing machine. Here's the instruction how we clamp the inlet pipe on the machine. Made in India, ISO certified, and the color of the product is white, and the length is 6 meter. Here's the inlet hose, and here is another hose for the machine. Here is the inlet hose for the water tap. Now I'm gonna touch the actual product out of this plastic. So here we are. It's a premium looking quality. The quality is super, ready to mount on my washing machine from the brand Samsung. So nice. We need to always purchase the Highland product for connect from a distance water inlet pipe. So here we are, and I can fix on my washing machine. Then you can hold me for part 2. Thank you.